Top 5 Irobot Roomba 2026. Let's dive into the details. Number 5. Roomba i3 Plus EVO, self-emptying robot vacuum with smart mapping. Meet the Roomba i3 Plus EVO, your smart, self-sufficient cleaning partner. It empties its own bin for up to 60 days, so you can forget about vacuuming for 2 whole months. Using dirt detect technology, it zeroes in on messy spots, while neat, overlapping rows ensure every inch gets cleaned. It learns your home with imprint smart mapping, so you can clean specific rooms on demand, via voice command or the app. Perfect for pet owners, its tangle-free rubber brushes handle hair with ease. Powered by Irobot OS, it adapts to your routine and offers personalized tips. Setup is simple on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, and once it's running, you're free to enjoy your clean home without lifting a finger. Number 4. Roomba Combo i5 Plus, self-emptying vacuum and mop. Tired of juggling vacuuming and mopping? The Roomba Combo i5 Plus does both effortlessly. Its 4-stage cleaning system and tangle-free brushes handle dirt, pet hair, and debris on any floor, and it empties itself for up to 60 days. Smart mapping enables targeted or scheduled cleaning, while dirt detect technology focuses on messy areas. Easily switch to mopping with the swap bin and microfiber pad. Just add water or cleaning solution. Voice control via Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant lets you command cleaning with a simple phrase like, "Hey, clean the kitchen." Enjoy 2 months of truly hands-free cleaning. Number 3. Roomba S9 Plus, smart self-emptying robot vacuum. The Roomba S9 Plus delivers effortless cleaning with 40x more suction than i-Series robots, tackling pet hair and debris on carpets. Its self-emptying base holds up to 60 days of dirt. Smart mapping allows room-specific scheduling, while Perfect Edge technology cleans every corner. Powered by Irobot OS, it learns your home, suggests cleanings, and vacuums automatically when you're away. Pair it with the Braiva Jet M6 mop for complete floor care. The S9 Plus adapts and gets smarter over time, making a clean home the easiest part of your day. Asterisk compared to Roomba i-Series robots. 119 words. Number 2. Roomba J9 Plus, smart, self-emptying robot vacuum for pet homes. Say goodbye to daily vacuuming, and hello to a cleaner home with zero effort. The Roomba J9 Plus is built for pet parents. It packs 100% stronger suction, smart dirt detective intelligence that learns your home, and a camera-guided system that avoids pet messes. Yes, even that kind. POP promise included. It navigates in neat rows, skips cords and toys, and empties itself for up to 60 days. With voice control and lightning-fast mapping, it cleans exactly where and when you want. Built with more pet-friendly features than any robot before, the J9 Plus doesn't just clean your floors, it gives you peace of mind, so you can focus on what really matters, your furry family. Number 1. Roomba i&E Series Replacement Battery. Tired of your Roomba losing steam mid-clean? This premium ABLF replacement battery brings your Irobot i7, J7, i3, i4, e5, e6, and more back to life, delivering a full 14.4 V and 4,460 mAh of reliable power. Built with high-quality lithium-ion cells and an adaptive chip, it ensures smooth, consistent performance for up to 1,000 charge cycles. Safety is a top priority. Advanced protection guards against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits, all backed by FCC, CE, and RoHS certifications. Easy to install and perfectly compatible, it's the smart, long-lasting fix your Roomba deserves. Don't let a weak battery slow your clean. Upgrade today and keep your floors spotless, effortlessly. So, that sums up my top 5 Irobot Roomba. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a